ጋዜጠኛ ሶፎንያስ የኢትዮጵያን ሕዝብ በይፋ ይቅርታ ጠየቀም። ለረጅም ጊዜ ከሚዲያ ዓለም ርቆ የቆየው ጋዜጠኛ ሶፎንያስ ወደ ቤቱ መመለሱን አስመልክቶ በፌስቡክ ገጹ ላይ ባስተላለፈው መልእክት መላው የኢትዮጵያ ሕዝብና አድናቂዎቹን ይቅርታ ጠይቋል። ተመስገን ለቤቴ በቅቻለሁ፣ መድኃኔዓለም ስለማረኝ፣ ለታላቁ ክብር ስላበቃኝ ደስ ብሎኛል ያለው ሶፎንያስ መጽሐፉ የበደላችሁን ይቅር በሉ እንደሚል የኢትዮጵያ ሕዝብ ይቅር እንዲለውና በጸሎታችሁ እንድታስቡት በእግዚአብሔር ስም ጠይቋል። በስተመጨረሻም ጋዜጠኛው እንደ እግዚአብሔር ፈቃድ በሰፊው መድረክ ኑዛዜን ትሰማላችሁ፣ በጣም ብዙ የምናገረው ነገር አለኝ በማለት ዛሬ
Bye man. I'm going to miss you. I'm going to miss you, bro.
I'm going to miss you, but it won't be the last time, man.
Definitely, bro. Thank you for seeing my country.
Thank you for everything,
Thank you
bro.
for coming here, for trusting me. I appreciate you. You're a very, very rare soul, bro. I just want to tell you that. An obsessed fella. I'm very obsessed with the success.
Thank you for showing me around,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
No one could have done it like you did it.
Really,
I
thank you.
appreciate you, and I
Thank
think
you.
we're going to be great friends. We
Thank
already
you.
are, bro.
Yes, bro.
We already are. It feels like we've known each other years.
Love you, bro.
It's only been away a week.
Definitely.
Love you, man.
Next time we're going to see it, Las Vegas or Ghana or whatever it is, you know, let me know, Maddie.
Much love, bud.
Much love to you.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Crazy week. Crazy
Thank you.
week.
Thank you for trusting me.
Bro, you're goated here. It's
I appreciate you.
insane.
My man. I'm gonna miss him too. Lovely, nice to meet
I'm
you.
gonna miss you.
Honestly, and I'm sure we will see many, many more times.
አዝኛለሁ። እነዚህ የሚገራርሙ ሰዎች ደክሞኛል፣ ግን በጣም 7 ቀን ምንም አልተኛውም። ኦልሞስት አልተኛንም እኮ ነበር። ምንም አልተኛውም። አሁን ቤት ገብቼ ለጥ ነው የምለው። በጣም ደክሞኛል። ቻው። ቴንክ ዩ ስለተከታተላችሁ።